figured I'd give a little information on what's going on this week. It's Sunday. I'm driving up to La Pine, Oregon, and we're going to be climbing Broken Top. It's about an 11-mile round trip climb. It's near the Sisters. And then tomorrow we're going to be climbing Mount THIELSON. Shouldn't really have any snow on either of those two. And Thursday we're planning on climbing Mount SHASTA. That one should have some snow near the summit, so we'll need ice gear. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It's going to be a fun week. Lots of summits, baby. We did it.
There's a Mexican restaurant. There's a Huntington headquarters. Yeah, there's a handful of restaurants.
Cool.
The cafe.
In La Pine?
Yeah.
Nice.
And I heard Mount Washington's the same for it.
Sketchy summit. There she is. Here's the, I'm assuming north and south, or no, south, middle, and north sister there. Is that Bachelor there? And Rainier over there, or?
No, that's Jefferson.
Okay.
So, Mount Washington, that first little teardrop peak.
Uh-huh.
And then that's Three Fingered Jack's the second
Okay, gotcha.
teardrop peak.
We just made it up the spine. Now we gotta make our way up it. And the true summit is this one here. So we'll traverse along the spine till we get up there, but here's what we're working with. So is that Green Lake there? The big one, you think?
Yeah, that's a big one.
Okay. South sister, middle sister, north.
Kind of cool to see the different layers of rock there.
Yeah, it's like painted.
You ever been out to the Painted Hills in Central?
No, I want to though. Okay.
The true summit, man.
True summit right there. Just on a castle.
Definitely gonna be on the spire.
Yay!
Send it, Hunter.
Where we work for. Topping out.
That's it? Topped out? Summit number one.
Bag it. Bag him back. It looks like you are. What do you think, V0?
I'll say maybe skill
V0 plus?
V0, V1. Gear wise, a V10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you got to say to DQ?
I know. I wish I had a blizzard here right now.
Wow, chili cheese dog, baby. Volcanic glass up here from lightning strikes. This is not where you want to be during a thunderstorm.
I know, yeah.
Green Lake. Rocky wants to take a plunge. Oh, dude, I don't want to go further than that, man. Woo-hoo. This is not fun. This is not my idea of a good time.
You gotta just jump in. All the way in. Duck your head. There you go.
What? Why?
Breathe. Breathe. This is where you harness your breathing.
Oh. There's THIELSON. Get closer.
That is a pretty direct path up.
Yeah, it doesn't seem. Dude, does that look like rain over there?
I hope not.
Almost there. A little bit of rain won't stop us. Diamond Lake. Looks more like a square to me. Or I guess a rectangle. And THIELSON in the background.
Almost there.
It's starting to clear up a little too.
Bag another summit.
This is a route up. The trail kind of disappeared. Like 50 feet back that way, so improvise. Oh, 50, 100 feet from the summit. I'm gonna boulder up that.
Yeah, I was telling Hunter too, a couple summers ago, my wife and I were up here, and a guy who didn't know the route got stuck where you were.
Now it's cold. It's like
this wet rock isn't the greatest to have.
How you feeling, Rocky?
I need to sit down for this video because I'm like scared to stand with the wind.
Look at this. All right, let me just show you what we're looking at over here.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I'm ready to get down, dude.
All right, Hunter. Peak number 2 in the
Yeah, tagging them, bag them.
Mount THIELSON. This is a sketchy summit.
This is the worst spot to be. It's a long way to the bottom there. Woo. Up Mount Bailey. Second summit of the day. THIELSON's over there. Diamond Lake's over there. Summit's over here. There's the real summit. Probably another like 20 minutes. Mount Bailey. We're on the, I guess you could call this the ridge. Going from the false summit to the real summit. Second summit for the day, baby.
Oh, nice. You get a shot of me with THIELSON here?
There she is.
Here we go, Hunter. Almost about to bag peak number 3 on summit week, Mount Bailey. Final steps here towards the summit. All right, summit number 3 in the book. Right after climbing Mount THIELSON there.
Top of Mount Bailey. Down Bailey. And we're gonna make our way back up that ridge and down that one and then to the left. Oh gosh. First little there was a lot more water in there last.
All right, Hunter, peak 4 in the books. Smoked out.
Move at like super slow where you're breathing good. Because then you'll just feel comfortable.
Where are we right now, Soy?
We're on the side of Mount Shasta. It's like 2 in the morning.
There's Rocky.
3:33 in the morning. Summit week. Final mountain. Bag 'em, tag 'em.
Easy money.
Hasn't beat you yet. You old son of a bitch, you.
What's that?
Feels pretty comfortable inside here.
Okay.
And Hunter.
Only because you showed me the beta.
Yeah. Hunter making the final ascent. About to bag peak number 5, Mount Shasta. That is what Hunter just climbed right up there. Hunter is the man. All right, standing 14,100 something feet.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Top of Mount Shasta. Hunter.
Not the beta, bro.
Dude, we did it. I really gotta take a shit.